Hey guys, Paul here at Rapids. I'm with Luke. We had an interesting customer situation. Can you tell us a little bit about what was going on with them and what we came up with to fix our problem?
Yeah, absolutely. So we had a local customer that's running a pizza restaurant. Fridays and Saturdays they were having a difficult time keeping up with their demand. They're running about 20 minutes ticket time per pizza. If they had a pizza that was misfired wrong or something go wrong with that pizza, they had to start that clock all over, running about 40 minutes per ticket. So with this unit, we're actually using an impinged air, so we're able to get pizza from a standard deck oven at 20 minutes down to about 5 to 6 minutes.
Nice.
So increasing their ticket or their throughput substantially, making sure keeping the customers happy and able to get more pizzas out the door.
Clever. Sounds great.
Absolutely.
And who is the manufacturer?
This is the double batch oven from TurboChef.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
And should you guys have any questions about this unit or any other unit at Rapids, feel free to jump on our online chat or give us a buzz.